Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your products into Google Merchant Center. Once your products are synced over, you can start running Google Shopping and Performance Max campaigns. Now, before we jump in, I'd strongly recommend watching our Google Merchant Center compliance video first. If your store doesn't meet Google's requirements, your account can get suspended, which means your shopping ads will stop running until it's fixed. Trust me, this is a lot harder than it sounds, and you don't want to have to deal with this headache. I've linked to that video down in the description, so go and check it out. Okay, so we're starting in your Shopify admin. Go to Settings, then Apps, and Sales Channels. From here, click Shopify App Store, search for the Google and YouTube app, and click Install. It's going to ask you to confirm. Just click Install again. That's just giving Google access to your store. Once that's done, click Connect Google Account. Sign in with whatever Google account you're using for your ads and Merchant Center. Google will ask you a couple of times. Just keep clicking through. If you've already gone through the compliance video that I mentioned, you're good to go. Connect your Merchant Center account. You'll probably just see one option here. Click Connect. Now scroll down and let's go through these settings quickly. Product sync. Leave that on automatic. You don't want to be manually syncing this. Target country and language. Set that up and hit save. Now for shipping settings, this one depends on your situation. If you haven't set up any manual shipping settings inside your Merchant Center account already, leave this on automatic. That'll pull your Shopify delivery settings directly into GMC and keep everything in sync. But if you've already set up manual shipping settings in Merchant Center and want to keep them, switch this to manual. Otherwise, automatic will overwrite them. So just double check which situation you're in before you hit save. Check out link settings. Leave that on automatic too. You want everything pulling from Shopify so it stays consistent. Accept the terms and conditions, choose your countries and languages. Okay, now click Complete Setup. Now you'll need to give the system up to an hour to connect, so don't do this right away. After a few minutes, go to Settings in the bottom left corner and open the menu. From there, scroll down to Data Sources. You'll see Content API listed here. That means it's connected and everything is set up correctly. And that's how you get your Shopify products connected into Google Merchant Center. The next thing you'll need to do after you watch this video is optimizing those products in your product data feed. Doing this allows you to generate a lot more traffic, a lot more sales, and a lot more profits from your campaigns. We have a full tutorial on how to do this. I'll link that down below in the description. This video you're watching right now is actually part of our free Google Shopping series. It shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 50K per month. You'll also find a link to this free series down below. A lot of free stuff, guys. And also, finally, guys, if you want help on setting up and getting all this stuff done for your Merchant Center account and your Google Shopping, we can help too. We have a community called the KeyCommerce Academy. My team are in there every single week helping you guys with all your issues. Live calls, Q&As, everything you need to grow your e-commerce store. And honestly, the community itself is great. Everyone's sharing wins, everyone's helping each other out. If that sounds like something interesting to you, go check out the KeyCommerce Academy. I'll leave a link down below as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.